as you can see, that was a whole lot easier to put this zip on than trying to put another fitted sheet on here. So how do I like it? It was not that difficult to put on the bed to begin with. The initial fitting it underneath and getting it all done. Unzipping it is a snap. Zipping it back on is a snap. It doesn't hurt my back. I don't have to mess with pulling out, as you saw in the first video, pulling out the mattress every time I want to change my sheets. I would give it probably on a scale of 1 to 10, probably an 8, 9. The comfort level, I love them. I'm surprised because, as I said in the beginning video, I really like 100% per-cal cotton, but these actually are really nice. I do see now that they do have the per-cal in the queen size. I don't give it a 10 because of the fact that, as you saw, after you wash it, that edge it doesn't lay down completely flat everywhere around the bed. For those of you that do not like to iron, probably if you put it on and then you put your top sheet on and you make sure that this edge is laying, I'll show you, you make sure this edge is laying down flat when you put that top sheet on, then it will more than likely stay there. But I want to make sure, and I don't mind iron. I give it a go. Thumbs up. Thank you, QuickZip.